Okay, today we're going to try to get some broken bolts that are rusted in out of cast iron. Everybody I see on the internet is doing mostly the aluminum heads, and those are pretty easy. This here is rusted in there, and I've already drilled it, tried to easy out, won't budge. So we're going to try to weld the washer on there and weld the washer right on there. They're going to weld a nut to the washer, and go from there. See if we can get that thing out. Hopefully the heat, is enough to bust that rust up, and we'll see. Okay, some things to note here is you want your ground close to wherever you're going to weld. You don't want to run a bunch of current through parts of your engine. It's kind of like creating electrolysis or something. Okay, let's see. I don't know if I have the welder set right, but we're going to start off with that. Try to tack that on there. Okay, I can see my wire speed's way too slow. Hold on here. Okay, let's see if I can weld myself out of here. Probably didn't work very good because I didn't get down inside the hole very good. Let's get a nut and try it. It'll probably just break off. Oops, that's too small. Pretty hot. We'll let that cool down and a little bit and start working on it, see if it works. Okay, I let it cool down a little bit, and then I put a little bit of oil on. This time, let it kind of soak in, and it's coming loose. These things are not happy. Okay, look at that. There's one down. I got 3 more to go. Threads look real nice. 3 more to do. Boy, this is fun. I love it. Anyway, that's pretty much the procedure. It's not a hard deal to do. You got to have a little welder. I'm only using a 140 amp stupid Harbor Freight one. I've got a 250 amp Lindy, but I'm not going to use that too hot. I've got this welder turned up like almost all the way. Wire speed's at like 275 and the bolts are at 20.4. And it's obviously hot enough to do this. You got to have it. It's got to get hot. You got to get that bolt hot enough to actually, it'll break up the rust. Anyway, there's today's deal.